So my husband made this soup for us today because I was not feeling too well. The last time I went out, I ate something outside home and it gave me diarrhea. Guys, it's not good to eat something outside home or you have to be very careful. I thought it's where I usually eat, not knowing that the food that day was contaminated. I was actually sick, nursing my diarrhea, not knowing that hubby was inside the kitchen cooking something for us at home. He said instead of you guys not to, have something to eat because mom is not feeling fine, let me teach you guys that I am the best chef here. So hubby helped into the kitchen and got the things I already bought to make okra soup. Now and then hubby just started making okra soup and man, it came out so nice. Just that men when they cook it's quite different from when the woman cooks because the kind of ingredients we use in making this thing, I tell you, most times it's times two of what I will use. Like the oil, I mean, I was like, daddy, this oil, is it not too much? He said, don't worry, you will like the food at the end. Well, at the end it tasted so good and so yummy. I enjoyed it much later because I was not able to eat it immediately because of the diarrhea. I was advised by the doctor to abstain from anything that has spices and too much salt in order not to trigger the dysentery or diarrhea again. So this is my husband mixing everything together to get delicious okra soup. It came out so nice. Thank you, Daddy. God bless you. May your hands never lack good things. As you decide to help me out in the kitchen in my low time, God will always remember you even in your low and high time. All that concerneth you, I pray it will prosper. Your life will smell good. Your life will have good aura, good fragrance. You have so much money. Your hands will count millions, dollars, pounds, and all. You will live in good health to enjoy it. And also, we that will eat your food, we eat it in good health and also in sound mind together. We live together to old age and let's do us part in old age, yes. And we'll live to see our children. That's me standing by there taking the video, making this video of him cooking. I didn't capture him from the onset. I was just inside and my guy told me that daddy is already cooking now. I said, let me rush and see what my guy is making. Hola guys, our soup is ready. Get your spoon, get your plate, one for you, one for me. When he added the leaf, he said, please check when it's done. Since you're here doing the video, I know you'll be able to know when it's done. And then I brought it down to show you guys what he made. Can your man ever? Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.